Well, this question says that Jim spent 4/15 of his money to buy a hat. He spent $80 more for a belt than the hat. And the remaining $130 was used for the bag. So how much money did Jim have at first? So firstly, let's draw the model for Jim's money at first. Okay, since because the fraction was given us as 4/15, that means to say that Jim had a total of 15 units of money. Alright, and then he spent 4 units on a hat. Alright, and we were told that he spent $80 more for the belt than the hat. So we draw and divide it here. Alright, because one hat costs 4 units of his money, and $80 more means $80 more than 4 units. Alright, and this amount of money was spent on a belt. And we are told that he had the remaining money of $130, which was spent on a bag. Alright, question asks, so how much money did Jim have at first? To answer that question, we got to find out how much is 1 unit of money. Alright, to find that, look at this portion of the model. Alright, which is $80 plus $130. Okay, and then we compare it. The total units was 15, and then 4 units was taken by head, 4 units was taken up by the belt for this part. Alright, so the difference was 7 units. Alright, so 7 units is equal to $80 plus $130, which is $210. That's for 7 units. Hence, 1 unit will be 210 divided by 7. That gives us $30. Alright, so how much did Jim have at first? Jim had a total of 15 units at first. So we multiply $30 by 15. Alright, that gives us a sum of $450. Hence, Jim had $450 at first. Thank you for using Playmaths.com.